short.
Baby, what's that?
This will be called hair ASMR. 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 ASMR, really.
No.
Good morning,
No morning.
Madam
No.
Kurut.
Magandang umaga.
What is our plan today?
I cannot brush my hair. Let's just cut it.
Okay, I will cut her hair today. Let's go. This machine is not charged.
Why?
Huh?
Why not?
It's not charged. Well, we will shift into just scissors. Let's see, make this wet. Why is
I
that
made
wet?
it wet.
Good luck. Good luck to you.
See how much I trust you.
Oh shit.
How can we cut your hair, man? Should I really do this one?
Ну, это по горизонтали или как это?
Ta-da! Show ko.
Oh.
See? Very nice. What?
It's perfect.
Perfect, right?
Yeah.
No, I don't see any difference.
I already cut it. You said cut. Because it's curly here. It's not
Fine,
gonna be.
just
Very nice. What to do with this one?
Why it's still long?
Because it needs to be like straight, baby. Why you don't?
I cannot.
Твои
Yes,
волосы
you can.
ужасные.
Пожалуйста. See, this one is problem.
Yeah, that's why I cannot. That's why I need to
Then
cut
you
my
need to
hair.
wash your hair, man.
It's not about washing.
It's about washing, man.
No, I can wash it now and it will be still like that.
Ouch.
Oh.
I don't like the sound.
Oh, guys. You said just cut it, right? Layer. I feel so pain. I feel it's so painful for the hair.
Кошмар.
It's painful to me.
No, to the hair. See? Give justice to the hair. Oh my gosh, how can you straight it, man? Oh.
It's very scary.
Right?
Scary.
А,
Мне можно.
Можно я волос помою и расчешу?
No.
See?
Please, stop.
Oh.
That's it.
Just hold your hair like, you know, like hold it so we can.
Oh, why some of them low, some of them?
Yeah, because it's not straight. See?
Yeah.
It's
Это как...
ASMR. See, how can it be straight if
Just
No, нет,
fine, I'm
no,
ready.
don't go. Not yet finished.
It's enough.
See?
О, боже мой, почему я забыла свой бальзам?
Bam. See? Needs to be.
Wait,
Wait, we're almost there. Yeah, can you please? Okay. Okay. Need to comment properly. ASMR. Oh, crispy. Huh?
It's very short!
Oh, it's very short.
Baby, what's that?
Where?
My god!
Where?
It's very short!
Which one?
Look at this!
No.
Look at this!
It's curling, man.
It's not curly!
It's curly. It's curly. See, fix it. Fix it. Just comb the hair. Comb the hair. Come on. Baby. Comb the hair.
Prepare your hair, okay?
No, my
Yes.
hair is fine. No, they cut. You need to, because it's curly, so it's short. See? It'll be very long. See? Only an expert can cut your hair, which is me.
Seriously.
Seryoсно? Да. See, I'm an expert, man. You asked the right guy for the job.
I didn't ask. I don't want to post this video, babe.
Why?
Fucking painful.
Yeah, we'll post it.
Oh.
ASMR. This will be called hair ASMR. Crispy.
Or when my boyfriend don't want to give money for the
Yeah.
salon to cut my hair.
ASMR. See? The sound is so
Annoying.
so crispy. No worries, I'll fix your hair. I'm the right guy for the right job. What? Ooh, ASMR, really?
Babe, let's just go to salon.
Yeah, we don't have money for salon. My service is more expensive. Come on.
Wait, it's still. Let's stop the shooting, babe.
Why?
I will just finish.
Continue.
Wow.
It's nice. Okay, let's go.
No, it's still. Let's just shave it from the down.
Yeah, what shave? Shave it.
Gum in my hair.
Gum?
Yes.
Gum?
Yes, and we will tell to hair cutter that we have a kids and they put gum in my hair and they can brush it.
Come, let's fix it.
Don't shoot me!
I'm not shooting you. I'm just cutting your hair.
You're so beautiful.
Me beautiful? Don't lie!
Sit down, please, my client.
You will cut it again?
We'll fix it.
Fix it!
Yes.
You can fix only if you will shave.
Come.
done? Please,
Wait,
babe,
stop moving.
finish. I don't want.
Okay.